Good morning po everyone. So tayo po ay nandito na naman sa isang makabuluhang video about tangent at secant. Now dito po ay meron tayong dalawang secant na nagbabanggaan outside the circle, na kung saan ang arc ADC ay 160 at ang arc EF is 70, at yung angle formed outside the circle is angle B or angle ABC. Now we're going to find out what is the measure of the angle ABC. Okay, so para mahanap po ang angle ABC, we're just going to write down angle ABC is equal to, so para mahanap si angle ABC, we're going to subtract the bigger arc, that is arc ADC. So ADC minus smaller arc, that is EF. So arc EF. Then we're going to divide this by 2. Okay, so now isa-substitute na po natin ano ang sukat ni arc ADC. So arc ADC is here, ADC, that is 160. So 160 degrees minus the smaller arc EF, that is 70. Then lagay natin ang divided by 2. So 160 minus 70, that is 90. So here we have 90. Then kopya ang 2. Pagkatapos 90 divided by 2, that is 45 degrees. Sabihin, ang sukat ni angle ABC is equal to 45 degrees. So ito po dito ay 45 degree. Okay po. So review po natin. Kapag ang missing po ay angle, that is the angle formed by two secants intersecting outside the circle, ABC, itong angle po dito, makukuha po natin ang sukat dito kapag yung bigger arc ADC babawasan ng smaller arc EF, then yung sagot nila i-divide natin ng 2 tulad po dito. So that is 160 minus 70, that is 90 divided by 2, then 90 divided by 2, that is 75. Okay po. So thank you po and good morning.